In our last videos, we have done exercise 9.2 sequence and series from NCERT book. So we have started that exercise and we have done till question number 14. So today we'll start from question number 15. And the question is, if a to the power n plus b to the power n upon a to the power n minus 1 plus b to the power n minus 1, that is am, arithmetic mean between a and b. तो a and b के बीच that is the arithmetic mean, मतलब this and am and b, these are in AP. So what will be the value of am? This will be a plus b upon 2. It means a to the power n plus b to the power n upon a to the power n minus 1 plus b to the power n minus 1, that will be equal to a plus b upon 2. Now we will simplify this. It will be 2 into a to the power n plus b to the power n, that will be equal to a plus b into a to the power n minus 1 plus b to the power n minus 1. Okay, so now it will be 2a to the power n plus 2b to the power n, that will be equal to a into a to the power n minus 1 will be a to the power n. Now b into a to the power b, it will be b into a to the power n minus 1, and then we'll multiply b to the power n minus 1 into a, will get a b to the power n minus 1, and plus b into b to the power n minus 1 will be b to the power n. Okay, now ये जो है a n, यहाँ 2 है ना, that कट हो जाएगा, ये भी कट हो जाएगा. So this side we are getting a n plus bn, and this side b a to the power n minus 1 plus a b to the power n minus 1. So what we'll do now, a to the power n है, a to the power b into a to the power n minus 1, this side will put, and ये a b to the power n minus 1 है, and this will take this side, so it will be b to the power n minus n. We'll take a to the power n minus 1 common, we'll get a minus b, and this side will take b to the power n minus 1 common, we'll get a minus b. ये cancel करेंगे, and this will be a to the power n minus 1 is equal to b to the power n minus 1. Can we write a to the power n minus 1 upon b to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1? It can we write a upon b to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1. So we can also write a upon b to the power n minus 1 is equal to a upon b to the power 1 का value can we write a upon b to the power 0. It means this is equal to 0. So n minus 1 is equal to 0. So n का value will be 1. Okay. This is question number 15. Now we'll do the next question, that is question number 16. In this question, there is the numbers given 1 and 31. In between 1 and 31, they have inserted m numbers. So A1 से लेकर AM तक. Okay, and such a way the resulting sequence is an AP. Okay, so this is AP, and ratio of 7th and the m minus 1th numbers. So numbers, m numbers inserted, these are the m numbers inserted in m numbers में से जो 7th है and m minus 1th है, वो numbers का ratio. It means a7 upon a m minus 1 जो value है, that the ratio of that will be 5/9. ठीक है, and as we know that a1 का value will be a plus d, and a n का value will be a plus n d, right? Okay, and what is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 31, so d का value will be equal to b minus a upon m plus 1. So d का value will be 31 minus 1 upon m plus 1. So d का value will be 30 upon m plus 1. ठीक है, नाउ ए का वैल्यू वी नो, बी का वैल्यू भी नोन है, डी का वैल्यू भी नोन है. नाउ दिस मीन्स 9a7 will be equal to 5am minus 1 होगा. Now first of all we'll solve the value. a7 का वैल्यू क्या होगा? a7 will be a plus 7d. Okay, तो a is 1 and 7 into d. d का वैल्यू is 30 upon m plus 1. It means a7 will be equal to 1 plus 210 upon m plus 1 होगा. Now we'll find out the value of a m minus 1. इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा? a plus m minus 1 d. This will be 1 plus m minus 1 into 30 upon m plus 1. Okay, so this will be the value for a m plus a m minus 1. Now we'll put this value 9 into a7. a7 का value is this one, 1 plus 210 upon m plus 1. That will be equal to 5 into am minus 1. am minus 1 will be 1 plus 30 into m minus 1 upon m plus 1. ठीक है. Now we'll multiply. So it will be 9 plus 9 into 210 upon m plus 1, and that will be equal to 5 plus 5 into 30 will be equal to 150 into m minus 1 upon m plus 1. ठीक है. अब m plus 1 जिसमें डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं, these are of same type, so what we'll do, हम उसको एक साथ रखेंगे, and 9 minus 5 हम एक साथ रखेंगे. So what we'll do, 150 m minus 150 upon m plus 1 है, minus 9 into 210 will be equal to 1890 and divided by 1890 and divided by m plus 1. ठीक है. So this side we can put 9 minus 5. So this will be equal to 150m minus 150 minus 1890 upon m plus 1, and this will be equal to 4. So we can write 150m minus 150 minus 150 minus 1890 will be equal to 2040. Okay, and that will be equal to 4m plus 4, because ये जो डिनोमिनेटर में है उसको हम दिस साइड we can put. So now m को एक साइड कर देंगे, so 150m minus 4m, and this side it will be 2040 plus 4. So what value will be getting? This side it will be 146m and this side it will be 2044. ठीक है. Now when we'll divide this by 146, now we'll get 14. So we can say that m is equal to 14. ठीक है. This was question number 16. Now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 17. It says a man starts repaying a loan at the first installment rupees 100. Okay, 100 rupees is the first installment, and if he increases the installment by 5 rupees every month. Okay, so this is the first term A. 5 rupees every month means that is the common difference, that is 5. And after pay in the 30th, what amount he will pay in the 30th installment. Okay, so 30th installment matlab we have to find out A30. Okay, so as we know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So A30 will be equal to A plus 30 minus 1 into D. That will be equal to A ka value is 100. We'll write here 100 plus 30 minus 1 will be 29 and D ka value is 5. Okay. So this will be 100 plus and 29 into 5 will be 145 and that will be equal to 245. So this is the amount that the person will be paying in the 30th installment. Okay, and now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 18, and this is the last question of this exercise. Okay, in this question it's saying the difference between any two consecutive interior angles of a polygon. Polygon matlab it can be it can be triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, whatever. So कितने भी like and the formula is जो पेंटागन के sum of all the angles होते हैं या फिर किसी भी पॉलीगन के the sum of angles that is equal to 180 into n minus 2. Okay, now n is the number of angles, so leave it. Now what we are discussing here, the question is the difference between any two consecutive interior angles of a polygon is 5 degree. Matlab difference is 5 degree. Now what is the smallest angle? Matlab we are starting from A. The first term will be 120 degree. And the difference between any two consecutive angles, interior angles, are 5 degree. मतलब जो first है this will be 120 degree, second will be 125 degree, third will be 130 degree. Okay, ऐसे रहेगा. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the number of sides of the polygon. अगर n sides होंगे, what we have to find out? N, number of sides. So Sn will be equal to 180 into n minus 2. होता है, this is the formula. So the sum of all the angles of the polygon will be equal to 180 into number of polygon minus 2. Okay, and as we know that sum of Sn will be equal to n upon 2 multiplied by first term and last term we can't use this formula because last term we don't know. So we'll write 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and that will be equal to 180 into n minus 2. ठीक है? So here n into, we'll break this, n upon 2 multiplied by 2a. First of all we'll put the value of a, n upon 2 into 120 plus n minus 1 into 5. Okay, this will be equal to 180 into n minus 2. So n upon 2 multiplied by 2 into 120 plus n upon 2 into n minus 1, 5. This will be equal to 180 n minus 180 into 2 will be 360. ठीक है, हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना है? n का वैल्यू. So ये cancel. So what value will be getting? We'll get 120 n plus 5n square minus 5n upon 2, and this will be equal to 180 n minus, okay, this side हम इस side ही ले सकते हैं, तो it will be 180 n and plus 360, this will be equal to 0. So we'll get 120 and minus 180 will be see 5n square minus 5n upon 2 minus 60n plus 360 is equal to 0. Now we'll simplify this. 5n square minus 5n minus, and we'll multiply by 2, it will be 120n and this will be 720 and equals to 0. फिर denominator में जो 2 है we can remove this. So it will be 5n minus 5n minus 120n, this will be 5n square minus 125n plus 720. So all are divisible by 5, so we can remove 5. We'll get n square minus 25n plus 144. Okay, so it will be n square minus 25 को we can break, And for 144, 16 nines are 144, so we can write 16n minus 9n plus 144, that is equal to 0. So we can take n common, n minus 16 minus 9 common, n minus 16 is equal to 0. So n minus 9 into n minus 16 is equal to 0. Either n minus 9 will be equal to 0 or n minus 16 will be equal to 0. So n will be 9 or n will be 16. So these are the two values of n. Okay, that's all for this exercise, and I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.